I just woke up. I just woke up. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I need a cup of coffee. I need a cup of coffee. I usually eat breakfast at home. I usually eat breakfast at home. I'm getting ready to leave. I'm getting ready to leave. The bus should arrive soon. The bus should arrive soon. It's a beautiful day outside. It's a beautiful day outside. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I have a busy day ahead. I have a busy day ahead. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Can I have a latte, please? Can I have a latte, please? I need to buy some groceries. I need to buy some groceries. These apples look fresh. These apples look fresh. I'd like to pay by card. I'd like to pay by card. I like spending time outdoors. I like spending time outdoors. I'm trying to stay healthy. I'm trying to stay healthy. I'm learning something new. I'm learning something new. I know the answer. I know the answer. What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
This tastes delicious. This tastes delicious. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. 23. The traffic is heavy today. 23. The traffic is heavy today. I arrived a little early. I arrived a little early. Could you help me with this? Could you help me with this? I need a short break. I need a short break. Let's have lunch together. Let's have lunch together. This sandwich is really good. This sandwich is really good. I need to buy a gift. I need to buy a gift. Which one should I choose? Which one should I choose? The weather is getting colder. The weather is getting colder. I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella. I'm meeting a friend today. I'm meeting a friend today. It's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you again. Can we take a picture? Can we take a picture? I'm learning a new skill. I'm learning a new skill. I need to finish this project. I need to finish this project. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. The sunset looks beautiful. The sunset looks beautiful. I'm feeling a little tired. I'm feeling a little tired. I need some rest. I need some rest. I'm going to cook dinner. I'm going to cook dinner. The food smells amazing. The food smells amazing. Could you pass the salt? Could you pass the salt? That was a wonderful meal. That was a wonderful meal. I'll wash the dishes. I'll wash the dishes. I need to clean my room. I need to clean my room. Everything looks much better now. Everything looks much better now. I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to watch a movie.